The oscilloscope hums with a flickering trace, a ghost of a waveform that won't hold its place. The knobs drift loose and the trigger won't stay, but it's all that he's got at the end of the day. Mike wipes the dust from a cracked COT, reads noise like a language no one else can see. They asked him for answers precise and complete, with tools that gave up last century. The spectrums are smeared on a tired old screen, whispers that may not be what they seem.
Calibration's gone like a long forgotten friend, and the references wandering end to end. A power supply seems with a tired aching whine, ripple creeping slowly through every design. He chases a fall through cables and doubt, never quite sure what's signal or what's just the route.
These second-hand signals don't tell him the truth, just shadows and echoes of what they once knew. But he listens anyway, through drift and decay, hoping the real answer finds him someday. With instruments broken and budgets run dry, he built something real from what others pass by. And though every measurement bends just a bit, he still finds a way to make sense of it.
The VNA's down, again no surprise. A missing port and a face that just lies. He traces reflections by instinct alone, on cables repaired more times than they've known. The soldering iron runs hotter than hell, no temperature control, just a story to tell. He solders by memory, feel and by sight, holding together the edge of the night. A fan in the rack makes a grinding refrain, hard drives of data that may not remain.
Software crashes right at the peak of a measurement he's waited all week. They ask him for numbers, clean and refined, but noise lives deep in the cracks of his mind. And still he delivers, though margins are thin, with tools that are failing more often than him. These second-hand signals
don't tell him the truth, just fragments and pieces of long faded proof. But he listens anyway, through drift and decay, hoping the real answer finds him someday. With instruments broken and budgets run dry, he built something real from what others pass by. And though every reading is worn at the seam, he still finds the signal inside of the dream. No clean lab, no brand new gear, just aging machines and a will that won't clear. No perfect trace, no golden tool, just stubborn resolve in a system of fools.
And somewhere beneath all the noise and the strain, a real signal fights through the wear and the pain. These second-hand signals still calling him through distortion and doubt and a shift view. He listens deeper than the instruments allow, finding the truth in the broken some hide. With no string but fragments and time running thin, he built something honest from what he's with by. And though every tool may be close to its end, he still finds your crack.
Will still transcend. The screen fades dim, but he's still there, tracing the truth through worn out air. Because sometimes the signal is harder to see.